Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite big curly hair combo in Dress to Impress. So this layering hack is super cute and gives you massive fluffy hair that is perfect for Y2K, bratz, or just everyday slaying. Now let's just get started to make this look. So first you're going to go to the braids hair category and put on this hair and toggle it into only bangs. Change the color to black and this one in here and toggle it into edges with the same color. Go to the updo hair category and put on this hair and toggle it to only bangs. It's the same color. And now use this one again, only the bangs. And now you can go to the curly hair category and put on this hair right here. Toggle it into only bangs again. Next one, you can put on this hair right here. Use the same color and now use the adjustment feature. So in here, change the Y in position to 35 and the Z to 60. Now increase the scale to 1 and put on another curly hair, this one in here, with the same color and use this adjustment. So change the scale to 76 and the positions into 60 for the Z, like this. Sorry, for the first hair I missed it. So for this one, toggle it into no bangs. So this is the final look for the big curly hair combo. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.